We've got a maximum tool magazine, Colin, on this machine of 120 tools, and we can see that we've got a built-in tools presetter, so we can check tools in program or for initial setting, whichever way the customer wants to go.
JIMTOF 2023, we're here reviewing the vision wide range of machines, and they're supplied by you guys over in the UK.
Yes, Ward High-Tech, based in Sheffield.
Richard, we've looked at the double column machines, fantastic range of machines,
yes,
and their whole range of machines is very, we want to emphasise the flexibility, the different options.
Yeah.
Clearly this isn't a twin column machine.
No.
Talk me through what this machine is, what it does, please.
Right. This is an ASM range of machines, and basically it's a full 5-axis machine with the Heidenhain controller, but although it's straightforward milling, we can also offer a turning function and a grinding function.
Right, again, straight away I'm thinking here, a lot of flexibility, a lot of options, but I want to go back to, you said full 5-axis, because we reviewed the twin column machines, and that was 5-face machining.
Yes.
Differences?
This is full contouring 5-axis with a minimum increment of 0.01 of a degree.
Okay, so whilst the other machines are accurate and can do some really complex parts, this takes it to the next level.
That's right, full 5-axis.
Okay, now I'm looking at the head here, we've got it moving at the moment. What size tooling will this take?
This machine takes HSK 100 with the turning option 100T.
Okay, why would you choose HSK over BT, for example?
Really, it's a case of the turning function is better suited to the HSK. We want the ability to, for milling, the tool to rotate on this particular machine up to 10,000 RPM, but on the turning function, we want the ability to lock the spindle and then rotate the chuck, or table. So on this particular configuration, we can go in 3 table sizes up to a maximum size of 3 meters with a maximum RPM of 500 RPM.
So on the table, right? On
the table. And we can couple that with some really incredible powers. So the table for turning, 53 kilowatt, and on the spindle, up to 75 kilowatt on the spindle power.
So some exceptionally powerful machining going on there. So you could do this really accurate small cuts if required, but some big depths. I'd like to see some swarf coming off this machine.
Yes,
I bet it's impressive.
It's really tremendous attributes of the machine.
Okay, so you've got this machine in full flow. I'm assuming it's going to use a lot of tools, but also it's going to be hitting those tools quite hard. So how are you going to keep that machine running all the time?
We've got a maximum tool magazine, Colin, on this machine of 120 tools, and we can see that we've got a built-in tools presetter, so we can check tools in program or for initial setting, whichever way the customer wants to go.
Okay, now I'm assuming these machines aren't cheap, so you really want to keep that spindle turning all the time. So are there other options in terms of the single table?
Yes, obviously loading the part takes considerable time, so we can offer a 2-pallet system.
Right.
So the part can be loaded within cycle. Again, every combination of machining requirement is covered by the basic model range.
Okay, so you've got your twin pallet going on, you're doing a lot of machining, you're milling, you're turning, you're grinding. Does that not give other issues though, in terms, because obviously you've got your swarf with your milling, your turning, the grinding has different problems.
You're absolutely right, Colin, but on this particular machine, the guarding is designed as such that it will suit either turning, milling, but also, importantly, grinding. So grinding dust, the standard guarding covers that application.
So they sort of thought of everything in this machine to making super complex parts. I mean, we've got on here, what have we got on here? And give me other examples of components it's making.
We can make, obviously, typically gears and different types of associated parts, pumps, engine parts, automotive parts. Really, the more complex the part, the better.
Okay, so I'm thinking from this range of machines, all the different options, I think the first point of call really is to get in contact with you guys. So it's Vision Wide supplied by
Ward High-Tech, based in Sheffield. Give us a call.
There you go, nice and simple. Richard, thank you very much.
Thank you, Colin.